Good morning. This is Mohan. Hope you're all doing well. And this audio file is with respect to the upcoming CA Inter and CA Final revision examinations batch. And as you all know that in this pandemic situation, it's not possible to conduct the study hours physically. So therefore, we are confining ourselves to conducting the revision examinations alone. This batch is otherwise popularly called as Mastermind Test Series, and it has become a household name for many CA students. And alone in 2020, we have done more than 1,000 admissions per Mastermind Test Series. Now let me start with the CA Final. So for CA Final, the batch is going to commence on 31st May 2021. Separate schedule is available for both groups and single group students. And our services will be for approximately 6 months. Our services will be for approximately 6 months. And this batch is available not only at central office, apart from central office, I mean to say Guntur, this batch is available at all our branches. And please do know that our old SSP students can take huge concession by submitting either their own CA final SSP document or any of his friends CA final SSP document. Literally, they can take admission by paying just 1,000 rupees as registration fees. Now, before I continue, I have a small request. Request all the students to share this audio file with your friends so that if anyone is interested, if any of your friends are interested to take admission in any test series, they can take advantage of this announcement. Now, coming to the CA Inter revision examinations batch, revision exams batch is again starting on May 31st. And this batch is also available at all our branches. This batch again is available at all our branches apart from the central office Guntur. And there is an important point. Our services for CA Inter students will be confined to only 2 months. I mean to say from May 31st, 2021, our services will end by July 31st, 2021. And again, separate schedule is available for both group students as well as single group students. And let me repeat, unlike CA final, for CA Inter, our services will be available only for 2 months. This is like a short-term batch. And for CA final, we are going to conduct nearly 110 examinations for both group students and 55 examinations for single group students. This is inclusive of 2 sets of CA pre-final examinations. And for CA Inter, we are going to conduct nearly 55 examinations either for both group students or for single group students, including pre-final examinations. And before I conclude, in this pandemic situation, we'd like to extend our support to the student community. Therefore, we are making the payment of GST out of our pocket. We are making the payment of GST out of our pocket. The amount of fees that you pay is taxable under GST at the rate of 18%. Say for example, if you make a payment of 10,000 rupees, we need to set aside 1,800 rupees towards GST. If we collect GST from you, then it becomes 11,800. In addition to 10,000, it becomes 1,800 is the amount towards GST, it becomes 11,800. So 10,000 is only an illustrative example, okay? So we are making the payment of GST out of our pocket. And before I conclude, I'd like to request all the students, kindly do share this audio file to your friends. And for more details, you may contact 9885125001 and 9885125025. Thank you. God bless you. Thanks for being with us.